Good morning. We'll discuss this example. A, B, and C can do a work in 12, 20, and 15 days respectively. A and B started the work and work for 5 days. Find the time taken by C to complete the remaining work. So uh, let the total work be the LCM of this three work done by the ABC. So let the total work be let the total work be LCM of this 12, 20, and 15. So we have to find the LCM of this. LCM of this is 60. LCM of this, how to find the LCM, all of you know that 12, 20, and 15. If you have to find the LCM means if you find 2, so 2 6 are 12, is 2 10s are 20, and this is 15, write this. Okay, then again 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, and this is a 15. Again we'll take here 3 1s are 3, 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15. Again we will take 5, so 1 1 1. So we have to take the product of this. 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 15 to the 30, 30 to the 60. So LCM is the product of this, that is a product of this. LCM is a 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is a 60 unit. So now we have to find the age 1 day work. Age 1 day work is equal to this 1 by 12. Sorry, we have to find 1 day work of age 1 day work will be, total work is 60. So 60 by this 12. So this is a 5 unit. Again B is 1 day work will be 60 upon the days 20. So it is a 3 unit. And again C is 1 day work is equal to 60 unit divided by the 15 days. So it is a 4 unit. Okay. So, but A and B started the work and work for 5 days. So A plus B's 1 day work is, A plus B's 1 day work is equal to this 5 units plus 3 units. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 units, and they have worked for 5 days. So 5-day work, 5-day work of A plus B is equal to 8 into 5. Okay, so therefore 40 units. So, but what we have to find the time taken by the C to complete the remaining work. So the remaining work is now A plus B is they work for 5 days and their unit is 40 units. Total unit is 60 unit. Okay. So remaining work is 60 minus 40. So remaining work 60 minus 40, so it is a 20 unit. So remaining work is 20 units and C has to complete the remaining work, and C work for 15 days. Sorry, so 1 day's work of C is 4 units. Okay, so time taken by C, time taken by C, C does the work for C does the 4 unit per day. So remaining work is 20 by 4 is equal to 5 days. So C complete the work in 5 days. So in this way we can solve the example. Now next example is A can do the piece of work in 18 days, 80 days. A can do the piece of work in 80 days. He works at it for 10 days, and then B alone finish the remaining work in 42 days. In how much time will A and B working together finish the work? Okay, so here the A's 1 day work is equal to A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 18, and he works for 10 days. So A's 10-day work is equal to 10 by 18. So it is a 1 by, sorry, it is not 18, it is 80, 18 days. So 1 day's work, he work in 80 days. A's 1 day work is 1 by 80. A's 10 days work is equal to 10 divided by 80. So it is a 1 by 8. Now the remaining work is equal to 1 minus 1 by 8. So if you calculate this, so remaining work is 7 by 8, and B finished the remaining work in 48 days. So remaining work is 7 by 8. So B finished the 8 in 42 days. So the work done by B, is remaining work is 7 by 8, and B worked for 42 days. Okay, so B worked for 42 days. So it is a 7 by 8. Remaining work is 7 by 8. So the B work, actually it is a 7 by 8. So it will be the 42 into 8 by 7. So it is a 48 days. Okay. Now we have to calculate in how many days, in how many time will A and B working together finish the work. Now A's 1 day work is 1 by 8. A's 1 day work is 1 by 80. Now we have to find the B's 1 day work. So work done by the B is 48 days. But we have to find the B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 48. So now we have got A's 1 day work, that is 1 by 80, and B's 1 day work is 1 by 48. So A and B working together finish the work. So we have to find this A and B's 1 day work. A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 80. Okay, A's 1 day work is 1 by 80, plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 48. 1 by 48, and if you find this 8 by 240 is equal to 1 by 30. So A plus B both will finish the work in 30 days. A plus B both will finish the work in 30 days. Okay. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you very much.